But first and foremost, I want to say that the wife of the president, REMI TINUBU, is a daughter of the South. The mother is from Delta State. And I stand to be corrected on this platform. You cannot ignore your mother's land. Your mother's land remains, you are part of them. Why I'm saying this is that number one thing about motherland is that no matter what it is, you will still say, this is where my mother comes from. Was it this week or within this week? He went to his mother's land in Delta State, in Asaba. They said, that's the wife of the president. That's the wife of the president. I want to say this. No matter what the position you attain, don't forget your origin. Your father is from the southwest, which is not, there's nothing bad in it, but you should not go against. There was a time he was saying that we will do this, we will do that. It's not pleasant. We are one Nigeria. And the problem we are having today is as a result of we have three people. We have the Yoruba, we have the Hausa, we have the Igbo. Now the Yoruba have ruled, the Hausa have ruled, the Igbos have not ruled, and you are telling us that they are one family. That would have been able to bring us together. This is the turn of the Southeast. These are put yourself in the Igbo shoe. Their body, soul, and spirit, they want to be part of it. They want to get a feel of it. But they've been neglected. And when it comes to any issue, they want to call, we are one Nigeria. But you are not making them one Nigeria.
But the wife of the president, everything is saying, the Igbos should show who they are in Edo State by remembering that he is their sister too in Edo State. If because of election, or is it not trying to tell Igbos, to come together and support, Nigeria, knowing fully well that Igbos are no longer interested in Nigeria?
Well, first and foremost, he's not getting the feeling of what is actually going on in Nigeria. Nigeria people are fed up of APC. Nigerian people are fed up of APC. The reason why Nigeria are fed up of APC, all their promises have been lies. They've not been able to move us forward. Anybody that comes with propaganda will end up with propaganda. They should go and address the issue of food, address the issue of petroleum. Whatever they address, we speak for them in an election. And I want to say this, that the God Almighty will help us and give us the enablement to let us know that we are moving forward. We are moving forward. They have been campaigning now and talking about the government, the Edo State election. Edo State election, you cannot push Edo anywhere. You can't push Edo anyhow. This is the first time a governor is coming and saying, we are not signing the peace accord. Release my people. And they did. As of yesterday, they released them.
I told them that Obasanjo is not going to be a pushover in this election.
As of yesterday, they have released them. And I want to say this. In Edo State, they are not pushover people. You can't push us anyhow. By tomorrow, which is Saturday on the 21st, you are going to see the Edo people coming out in masses to vote. If you come with peace, they will go with peace. If you come with gragra, they will go with gragra. They call them the heartbeat of the nation. You can't intimidate us. I want to round up by saying this. The INEC empire should do the right thing. The police should do the right thing. All the civil society, they should do the right thing. Everything will go on well. Thank you, sir.
No, I will still have a lot of questions we are going to talk about today, centering on the wife of the president, particularly, who is from the South, married to a Yoruba man who happens to be the current president. Things have actually gone wrong. And they're trying to calm the Igbos in Benin to vote for, reminding them that she is also one of their sister or Biafra or whatever, in Edo State factor. But it looks like you know, the whole thing is going to go the way of P2B, Obaseki's, PDP in Edo State. These are the two major political parties people are looking at.
I'm going to start by
But they're saying that they have already deployed soldiers, army from the federal government to checkmate or to make sure that the struggle becomes very tight for those who want to actually take the lead.
Well, let me start with this. No matter what is happening in Edo, they wanted to bring this Yaloja in Edo State. The people of Edo resisted it. The people of Edo State resisted it very much, very well. Resisted it. I want to say this. What he's trying to do, nobody is going to buy it over. The Igbos are not, they are dumb, they are industrial people. They don't believe this government. They don't believe this government. I want to say this with all my sincerity. The wife of the president should go home and tell to the husband, tell him the right thing, so that the Nigerian citizen will get the right result. When you don't tell your husband the right thing, they'll keep on doing the wrong thing.
Do you see Obaseki as a fighter?
Obaseki is a fighter right from time. There are issues I would not like to bring on this platform. They have misunderstanding between the Oba of Benin and Obaseki. The misunderstanding is this, that when they were bringing the artifacts, Obaseki said, let them build a museum in Edo so that people that will come will be going there to look at the artifacts, and so that it's going to be bringing income to Edo. But the Oba of Benin said, no, that this artifact must be in the palace. So the governor of Benin, Edo State, said, okay, no problem. And he left it. He left it because he knows that the Oba is our traditional God, which we respect so much. So I want to tell you this, that no matter what is going to happen in Edo State, Obaseki is a fighter. He's a fighter to the call. Obaseki is a man to the call. You can't shake him anyhow. Look at how he pushed away Philip Shaibu. He told Philip Shaibu.
But Philip Shaibu messed up.
No, let me tell you, because there are some people that may not understand. You understand? Philip Shaibu, this time is not your turn. Simple. It's not your turn. Come together, let us finish this tenure. Philip Shaibu now gang up against him. He ganged up against him and was working against him. And I want to say this, as I round up, Philip Shaibu will be messed up where he has gone to. And I want to say, long live Edo State. By the special grace of God, there will be peace in Edo State and everything will return normal, and the people's mandate and person that will win the election, everybody will be happy. Thank you, sir.
What do you want to tell Mr. President, who said, I am going to take it by force, by hook or by crook, that I'm going to use federal might on Edo State? In one word, what do you want to tell Edo as they go to the polls on Saturday?
Our president is an elder statesman. There are words our president should not say. These are what is affecting his regime now. The day of inauguration, he said, fuel subsidy is gone. That's the problem we have today. As an elder statesman, wisdom says, watch what you say. And whatever you say goes a long way and affects the economy, affect the nation, affect whatever you are doing. That's my humble take, sir.
Okay, one last question. The generals are saying that P2B is the next hope of Nigeria. The generals, the IBBs, the Gowons, the Abu Salamis, the Obasanjos. They are saying it, they made it very clearly. They posted it, Obi is the hope. That doesn't mean that we have lost interest in APC completely.
No, see. The way this general runs, the way they run now is that don't be surprised. Overnight, TINUBU can buy them over. Because he's the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. Let's wait till then. Let's see how they are going to play their game. You know that president is not a easy crack to crack. Let's wait till that time. Let us not jump into conclusion. The president is also watching, so he's also doing his own research, and God will help us.
You are from Edo State.
Yes.
You know, can you tell us who you are having in mind to win that election?
The person I'm hoping to win the election is as well Egodalo, that is going to win the election, and it's going to move Edo people forward. Thank you, sir.